As you can see, I have this error here, that is TensorFlow could not be resolved. So I will try to install it using pip. And now you get this message, pip is not recognized. So this means that pip is not installed in our system and we cannot use it in Visual Studio Code. So let's see how we can install pip in our system and use it in Visual Studio Code. First, press your Windows button and type cmd. This will open command prompt. Let's see what Python version do we have. So as you can see, we have Python 3.10.0. Now if I type pip help, you will see that pip is not recognized. Now let's install pip. First, you need to run this command. I will have this in the description below. You can copy it from there. Now this will download this file getpip.py. Once this is complete, you just run this file using Python. And now the pip installation will start. So once pip is installed, now if you try to do this, you will again get an error as we have not added pip into environment variable. Let's see how we can do that. But before adding the path to environment variable, you need to know which path to add. So as you can see, it is showing that pip is installed in this directory. Let's copy it and type environment in your start menu. Click on this environment variables. You need to select path from system variables, not this variable. If you add this for this user, it will be only accessible by the currently logged in user. If you add it here, it will be available to all the users. So you can just select path in the system variables and click on edit first. And then here, click on new and paste what you had currently copied from here, this path. So you've added here, just click OK. Click OK again. Click OK again to close this dialog. Now that you have installed pip and added it to your path, you can close your Visual Studio Code and open it again. And now let's try to install using pip. And as you can see, the TensorFlow packages are being installed using pip. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.